Welcome to Asset Ranking. In this quick guide, we'll explore the new navigation menu and show you how to use the best out of your SEO workflow that we now make even more intuitive. First things first, if you're still using the old interface like the one you can see right now, make sure to go to the option right here at the bottom of the left pane and enable the new AI feature. As you can see, all of the features that we normally see right here at the top pane are now moved to the left. We've done that in order to cluster them specifically per the use case and make it even more user-friendly when you use it on a daily basis. Tools are grouped into categories like projects, research, backlinks, audit, etc. Now let's take a look at the projects. So within the project tools, you still have all of your favorite features. Just like before, you can keep track of all of your rankings, connect your Google Search Console or Google Analytics account, track the competitors of that particular client, create a marketing plan, or do a website tag check. Moving forward, in the research section, you can find your competitive research, keyword manager, and keyword grouper, which are the cornerstone features for actually doing that research on the traffic and the keyword alternatives for your clients. Under the backlinks, you can still find backlink checker and backlink gap analyzer. Don't forget that these features actually help you have a good visibility of all of those backlinks and their current quality. Under the audit folder, you have access to a standalone website audit, on-page SEO checker, and SERP analyzer. Using all of these features, you can work with new prospects, check their websites for specific technical issues or for the user experience recommendations, and then go ahead and turn them into actual long-term clients of yours. In terms of content marketing, you have access to Content Editor and Content Idea Finder. Both these features are extremely useful when you need to create a brief or write an article from scratch. Using our AI tools and many suggestions that come up with the settings that you set up for yourself or your teammates, Content Editor is going to be an irreplaceable assistant in creating high-quality texts and briefs. Within the SMM package, you can actually connect to your clients' social media networks, such as Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and so on and so forth. If your client operates more locally and you need to pinpoint them within a specific district or a specific location, local marketing will come to help. With Agency Pack as an add-on, you now have the ability to fully customize the platform that you love so much. So for instance, if you're inviting your clients to the platform, you can customize the interface, you can change the domain name that is seen in the URL of your account, you can also customize the login page, the emails that are sent out with the reports, and so much more. Apart from that, you are granted access to Lead Generator, which is an extremely useful and beneficial feature if you want to increase the engagement on your own website. And finally, you get top-ups such as additional client seats and an unlimited number of scheduled reports with the report builder. Now, here's a pro tip. You can actually customize your navigation bar by pinning your favorite tools right here to the top. In order to do that, all you need to do is simply hover over a feature you would like to pin and then select it right here to add it to the favorites. This will enable better visibility and all of the features that you actually use on a daily basis will be right here at your hand. Thanks for choosing Asset Ranking. Have a wonderful day.